MHC Kenworth Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Here's a beautiful maroon 2017 Kenworth T680 day cab for sale at MHC Denver. A 455 horsepower 10-speed Ultra that sits at 215,000 on the miles with 12K fronts, 40K rears, and a 196-inch wheelbase with a 3.25 rear ratio. You've got 22.5 LPs with polished aluminum wheels all around and a 75-gallon fuel tank. Under the hood, a PACCAR MX-13 with that fuller 10-speed Ultra transmission. Check out the interior. It really does look nice. So does the dash. It shines like new. If you want this truck, a 2017 Kenworth T680 day cab, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.